Hey everyone, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. Got a few things to say, so I want you to come back and join me. So I'll be right back. Thank you for coming back. Okay, first things first, this is the last video I'm going to be posting from the boat. This is Sunday. I'm leaving on Wednesday. I have so much I have to do. I have to make sure my galley is all completely spotless, clean out the refrigerators, because I'm also getting groceries on board tomorrow. No, I won't be videotaping that one because it's just a small order. I've got to clean out all my refrigerators, wipe everything down inside, wash everything, whatever it is I need to do. I have to make sure my pantry is organized. I got to make sure all my cupboards, like where the seasonings are, and my baking cupboard, that's all wiped out. Take everything out, wipe it down. The guys are going to be doing what we call souging the galley today. That means they are cleaning it top to bottom, walls, floors, everything. I gotta have that done before this new cook comes in on Wednesday. Plus I got 4 loads of laundry. That is, first load is going to be all the kitchen towels and dish rags. Second load is going to be my personal linen for my bed. What I do is I wash mine, pack it away, put down the boat linen. I sleep on that for the next couple nights, 3 nights, whatever nights, as long as I can sleep. That's all that matters to me. Anyways, then my third load is the big heavy comforter and the blanket. Then fourth load is all my clothes. I just keep it, and then I'm going to be packing most of this stuff and just leave out what I'm going to be using for the next 2-3 days. I'm just worn out just thinking about it. Okay, that's today. So now, the next couple more days, I'm going to be doing all the touch-ups. I'll probably do 1 more load of laundry to just get the last 2 or 3 days of clothes done, and then that's it, and get all packed up. I have purchased some stuff while I've been here on the boat, so I'm definitely going to be having, I'll either do some milk crates or I'll do some big plastic bags, because there ain't no going to be room in my luggage for all this. I know, right? Hey, I lived here for the last 3 months. What can I say? Alright. Secondly, happy Father's Day to everybody out there that is a father. You know what? And some of you single mothers, also, you have done some fatherly roles for your children. So happy Father's Day to you as well. I wish you all the best, and I forgot to tell all the guys this morning that were fathers. Oh God, am I horrible? But then again, on Mother's Day, only one person said Happy Mother's Day to me. But that's okay. I'm not like them. I will tell them all at lunch. All right. Now here comes the big announcement. Everybody knows that I have Hero Soap at my end screen, and I have Hero Soap down below. If you click on the link, it's good. It has to do with my name, Saucy, whatever, and you get that 15% discount. I'm changing it up. I am going to be supporting Badge. You know, this guy right here. Let's see if I can get some pictures of him. Right around here somewhere. Anyways, everybody loves him. He does everything for everybody. And he never asks for anything in return except this. He already has approximately about 500 bars soap sold. His goal is 2,020 bars for the year 2020. So I am changing my code down below. You can see that part right here. Yes, Badge, I stole it from your video, your little ad. So I'm going to change the link down below, and I'm going to make it to where it's you're going to give the credit to Badge. Let's help him make this go. This gentleman, again, like I said, has done everything for everybody and never asked for anything in return. So I'm asking every one of my subscribers, 1 bar of soap. And if you feel generous, get 2. I got 702 or 703 subscribers. Maybe half to 3/4 of you watch my videos. For those that do, let's do this for Badge. So after Badge is met his goal, then we'll work on you continuing getting your monthly soap by using my code. I greatly appreciate all the support you guys do for these veterans. Just think about it, because these are homeless veterans that they're supporting. They also do a care package and send it to our guys overseas. So I'm asking each and every one of you guys to help support our vets. Now, Badge, he is a vet. Now, so yes, he may be from Canada, but you know what? Who cares? He support his family, his country, just like our men and women do. And you know what? This is an American-based company, and he is doing the support for this American-based company, and knowing that all the proceeds is going to help the American vets. Nice. So, if Badge can do this, so can you. Just to let you know, I'm getting low on my soap. Guess what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making another purchase myself. And I'm getting a couple bars, because I do like this stuff. My soap is really small right now. So I know I'm going to need some real soon. So I'll get a couple bars. Maybe I might get 3, because I may pass 2 of those around to the few people I'm having a camping trip with. So we'll see if I get it in time. Probably not, but if anything, I'll send it to them. All right, people. I want to thank you all for supporting me, especially these last few weeks, as tired as I've been. And yes, I know I'm rambling on here, but who cares, right? Y'all will hear me. Oh, one more thing. Wednesday, it depends on where I get off the boat, how long the drive is back home. I may have a live stream Wednesday night. If not, I'm going to push for Friday night, the night before I leave for the camping trip, to have a live stream. Alright, so just be prepared. I won't know till Wednesday what time I'm getting off the boat and where I'm at, and I know for sure how long that drive will be. But I do know that I'm going to be very exhausted. My first day I really like to just sleep, but I may do maybe a 45-minute live stream. We'll see what happens. Let's see how I feel. Alright, people, thank you again for all your support, and don't forget, the Hero Soap link down below has now been changed into be for the code for Badge. Alright, thank you again. You all have a nice day. I'll see you down the river, up the river, or down the road. Have a great day. Bye-bye.